How to make Forky. Hi friends! Today we will make Forky from Toy Story. What do we need? We need one plastic fork, white clay, red clay, blue clay, two googly eyes, one popsicle stick, one red pipe cleaner, and optional some glue. Step 1. Let's make the feet. Break the popsicle stick into two. If it's hard, you can ask for help. Put white clay at the bottom of the fork. Stick the two keys like Forky's feet. If it's hard, you can ask for help. Push the clay. Now Forky can stand. Yay! Step 2. Let's make the eyes. Take the googly eyes. If there's tape on the back, peel it off. If not, you can use the glue. Stick the eyes on Forky's face. One big and one small. So funny! Step 3. Make eyebrows and mouth. Use red clay for the eyebrows. Use blue clay for the mouth. Make the shape and stick them on the fork. If needed, you can use glue too. Please ask grown up if you want it. Step 4. Make the arms. Take the red pipe cleaner. Bend it like arms. Wrap it around the back of the fork. If it's hard, you can ask for help. Yippee! All done! Forky is ready. Forky looks so happy. Let's play together. Thank you. Bye-bye.